In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your YouTube earnings in Google AdSense for the year 2025. This is an essential skill for content creators who want to keep track of their monetization efforts and ensure they're receiving their due rewards for the hard work they put into their videos. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced YouTuber, managing and understanding your AdSense earnings is a vital part of maintaining a successful channel. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google AdSense website. It's a hub for managing and optimizing the monetization of your online content, including your YouTube channel. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click this and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're already logged in, you might be taken directly to your account's dashboard. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense home interface. The homepage is your starting point for accessing different features and analytics concerning your account. Now from here you should look for the navigation menu, usually found on the left hand side of the screen. Click on the payments option. This section provides key insights into how and when you'll be receiving your earnings. Here you can track payment histories, manage payment methods, and see what's upcoming in terms of revenue. Now within the payment section, you'll notice a sub-option titled Payments Info. Clicking this will offer more granular details of your earnings and any other financial information pertinent to your account. Pay special attention here as this information is crucial for tracking your overall financial health on YouTube. Finally, after you've accessed your payments info, cast your gaze towards the Your Earnings section. This area is tailored specifically to showcase your YouTube earnings. It breaks down exactly how much revenue your channel is generating from various streams such as ads or memberships depending on what you've activated on your channel. This step is vital as it gives you a clear, transparent view of how your content is performing financially. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily view your YouTube earnings in Google AdSense. This knowledge is not just about receiving payouts, but also understanding the ebb and flow of your online financial status. Remember, a consistent review of your earnings can help you adjust and enhance your content strategy to maximize revenue. Keep an eye on your metrics to optimize your channel's performance and perhaps set some new goals. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials.